Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your TV supports sideloading, and that firmware is current. This avoids dead ends. Next, enable developer mode in Smart Hub and note the TV's IP address. Once done, sign into the same Wi-Fi network on your Android or PC and prepare a USB stick or install a file transfer tool. Make sure you have a Google account and the Play Store APK downloaded to your device. You'll need these immediately for the next steps. You'll now convert and transfer. Wrap the Play Store APK in a Tizen-compatible package or use a third-party bridge app so the TV can accept it. Once wrapped, copy the file to a USB drive or push it over the LAN with a sideloading tool, then open Smart Hub's Developer Package Installer. Install the core Play services and Play Store packages in order and allow requested permissions. Doing them sequentially prevents missing dependencies and unresolved crashes. Finish by signing into your Google account inside the newly installed Play Store and update Google Play services immediately so apps run correctly. Then reboot the TV, open Play Store, and install or update apps as needed. This stabilizes permissions and background services. If the Play Store won't open, check the TV logs or reinstall missing dependency APKs in the same order, and if needed, toggle developer mode off and on. This one troubleshooting step often resolves permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.